Kitchen with me, Hari. Today I come with another variety dish, a special dish called chicken steak. Along with that, I'm making hash browns, boiled vegetable, and pepper sauce. Though varieties are more, but very easy to make. Try it home. So for the brown sauce, what you need butter. So I put around 1 spoon butter. Then on top, I added garlic. Saute that. So this is a dark brown pepper sauce. So in that you need onion and garlic as the main. You need to add onion and garlic as the main ingredient. So garlic is there. Then I put onion. So it's almost 1.5 onion, and then saute well. On top, I will add 2 stock. If you don't have stock, as I always says, you can add any noodle sachet. So then mix it well. So once you mix well, then you add pepper. So peppercorn you need to add around 3 spoon. So it's almost 3 spoon. And mix it well. So now it's almost dark brown color now. You can see. And add little sugar. Salt. And on top, I'll pour glass of water. 1 glass of water. I'll let it boil. Okay, now it's almost done. At this stage, what you have to do, you need to add cream. So we can add around 100 ml cream. Okay, and then mix well. Well, and leave it for another 1 minute. Now it's almost done. You can see the consistency. So leave it for cooling. Let it cool down so it's become more thick. So now it's a little watery, but when it cools down, it'll become more thick. Okay, for the hash brown, what we need is that this is grated potatoes. So what I did is that I grated the potato and then boiled with little salt, and then strained it, and this is the consistency you should get. So grate the potatoes, then you boil it and strain it. So on top, what I'll do, I'll add 1 egg. Okay, and then I'll add chili powder. 1 tablespoon chili powder. And then on top, onions. Okay, you can even add parsley or coriander leaves based on your taste, and little salt. So 1 spoon of salt, though there is salt already, but add little more. Then mix it well. So on top, I added we mixed it well. So now on top I add little coriander leaves, and then 1 spoon. You can take this is a big spoon, so you can take 2 tablespoon of maida, and then again mix well. So our mix is ready now. So then you need to make it like this, hash browns, and then you fry it in the pan. You can take a handful of the mix and make a shape like this. Make a shape like this, and you can just fry this. For the steak, what I did is that I took a boneless chicken and I spreaded this, and then on top I added a little chili powder and then oil and pepper and salt. So then you need to, if you have this kind of a pan, it's very good. Otherwise, normal pan also you can do. So brush few oil, a little oil, and then you can place it like this. Okay, now it's almost done. At this stage, you can have little flambe, like you can get the. This is called a flambe. And now it's the time for upside down. See, the meat is done almost. So you need to requires another 5 minutes more to have a good, well done steak. Okay, now our steak is ready. Now you can see the consistency. It's well done, and it should have little watery, soaky texture. So now we can plate. So what I did is that I made I'll show you the sauce, vegetables, boiled vegetables, and then steak and hash browns. This is the combination. So let's plate this. Before plating, I boiled some vegetable. You can see carrot and cauliflower and little long bean. So what this is a steak where you this is a pan where we made the steak. So what are you going to do? Just put everything in it, and then you mix it with the juice, the chicken steak, and that the juice of from this chicken. Just mix it well. So I mixed it. I mixed the whole vegetable now. So now the time for the plating. Okay, here our steak is ready now. So I have hash browns here, some vegetables and steak. It's well done. It's not medium or rare. It's well done. And this is the sauce. This is the consistency of the sauce. Okay. So what do is that you pour sauce on top of the steak and the hash brown, and on top of the vegetable. So anyway, so hope you like it. Just try this home. It's very easy to make. The 3 to 4 steps, but it's very easy to make. And let me know. And please try this and put your comment. And I'm going to come with another dish soon.